Hello guys, welcome back to another video. So in this video I'm going to talk about the flyout. So let's see what is flyout. So flyout is basically a pop-up kind of thing which is used to display some another information in the pop-up. So let's see, like I have this card which is showing some weather information and it contains a action button. So once I will click on this, a pop-up will appear with some another information regarding that weather. So I will let you know that how we can create this pop-up, and we will also cover the concept of child flex card. So let's go to our org. So this is what we have created in the previous video. So if you have not watched my how to create a flex card video, so I would recommend to go and watch that video first. So to create a flyout, we need a child flex card. So let's go to flex card and create a new child flex card. So we need to click on new and we need to enter the name. So I will name it as flyout card, and this should be embedded inside another thing. So it should be a child card. So I will enable this. I will click on next. I will not configure any kind of data source for now. So the card is created now, and what I will do is I will add a text field here. So I am dragging a text field here, and into the properties panel I will write account name, and I will activate this card. So this card is now activated. I will press done. Now inside this main card, what I will do is I will drag a action button. I will drag an action button inside this, and I will name it as flyout, and there is action type. So this action type should be a flyout, and we have a flyout type, that what we are going to use inside a flyout. So this should be, we have just created a child card, so I will use a child card, and inside this flyout I need to select the child card we have just created, and I don't see it visible here. So what I will do is I have just activated it, so I will refresh the page. Now if you click on that flyout, and if I will go to that flyout section, so that flyout card is now visible. So I will select that, and there is a data node. I will tell you like what is this data node, but for now let's preview this card. So this is the preview of the card, and if I will click on this flyout button, a pop-up will appear, but it is not similar like what we saw in the previous. So to get a pop-up like this, let's go back to the design, and here I have a open flyout in a popover. Let's change this to model, and now preview the card. Now if I will again click on that flyout, it will show a pop-up kind of thing which is showing account name, but there is no data. I have just written a simple text over there, but there is no data. So how we can pass the data from the parent card? So this is the parent card, and a flyout is basically a child card. So how we can pass the data from a parent card to a child card, because parent card is having some data, and if I want to use that same data into our child card or this flyout, so what we can do is I will go back to the design, and here I have a data node. This is basically used to pass the parent data card data to the child card. So I need to write the curly braces, and inside that I need to write records. I need to write records to pass all the data from the parent card to the child card. Now again if I will preview this, So if I will click on that flyout, it is showing account name. Why the other data is not getting displayed? Because we have not used that data. So in order to use that data to be visible, so again I need to go back to that flyout, and in order to make any changes, we cannot make any changes for now because this card is active. So first I need to deactivate it. It's deactivated now, and if I will click on this, now we can edit this. So in order to get that data from there, I need to use curly braces and the data node. So to print the account name, let's see what we have used there. So this is basically the account name, and if I will go back to the design mode, if I will click on this, so here as you can see we are using curly braces and the account name. So I will just copy this from here and I will paste it inside this. So if I will paste this, and again I need to activate it. Now let's go to the parent card and let's preview it again. So if I will click on that flyout, now it is showing account name as well as some data. Okay, so basically there are two ways to use the data. Either we can use the parent card data, or we can configure the data source individually for a flyout. So we can also go to the setup, and here we can use the same data source as integration procedure, and we need to pass same parameters from here also, and then we can get the data individually for this card only. So but the better way is to, if you are having any data in the parent card, so you can use that, because it's better to make a single call to get the data rather than making 2 or 3 calls individually for a card. So this was the flyout. What we can do using the child card is we can embed a child card inside any other card. So to do that, let's go to the build, and we have a element called child card, flex card. So let's drag it over the canvas, and I will small the size so that both of them are visible in the same line. Yes, it's visible now. If I will click on this again, we have a flex card name. So as that was a child card, so it is available here. So I will click on this, and again here also I need to pass the data. In order to use the parent data, we need to pass some data here also. So again I will write records. Again I will write records. If I will preview this, so as you can see we are using a child flex card inside another flex card, and we are using a flyout action to show some pop-up with the same data. So that's all for this video. If you find this video helpful, please do like and subscribe to my channel. If you have any issue, you can comment out. Till then, stay healthy and stay safe.